Hello everyone, welcome to Growing with the Gold. We're finalizing the last of our winter crops here, about to harvest our kale, our chard, a few other things, some lettuces. But we wanted to show you one of the things that really loves this curly kale are these gray aphids. You can see most of these plants are fine, but when they pocket up, they just get right in there and cause quite a mess. We're gonna throw this leaf away and hope for the best, try and kill these aphids. That is why IPM, Integrated Pest Management, is so important. Even on your home garden, you want to be in front of these things. If we were to leave these go for another couple weeks, it'd be decimated with these gray aphids. So we want to make sure to use neem oil and other gentle, organic, consumable pest deterrents to make sure we don't need to get into heavy chemicals and things like that to keep our food and produce clean. All right, so these are the last of the winter crops we were talking about. We're going to harvest the last of these kales, just get them into a bin, get them bunched up to get out to our team, get some great fresh vegetables home for our team out of the garden before we get these all cleared out and replanted with the crops for this spring. So normally, as my chard goes, I would love to harvest just a leaf or two at a time. Take the biggest, most beautiful leaves, bunch them up. But because we need to clear this whole garden, today I'm just gonna go straight down, right to the base of these plants and take the whole thing. We're gonna have a chard feast, people. This is a great crop to grow at home, especially in the shoulder seasons, early spring, late fall. It's gonna go into the winter really, really well, especially in a milder climate. Don't sleep on Swiss chard. Look how beautiful the base of that chard is where we cut it off. Amazing fractal vegetable art. One more crop we love to grow up here in the north coast of California, especially here at Royal Gold, is cilantro. This is a variety that we got from one of our workers here. It's beautiful, big, flat, curly leaves, a really nice variety. We can't seem to grow enough of that here. People just gobble it up. So we're gonna get this harvested and get all these pots dumped. All right, folks, well, thanks for joining us on all of these wonderful harvesting journeys. Well, we've gotten our kale, we've gotten our chard, we've gotten our cilantro. Last thing we've got to go is our lettuces. We've got a bunch of different varieties. We're just gonna go through, chop these heads and get it into our team, make sure they have that fresh nutrition everybody needs. Thanks for joining us on Growing with the Gold. Thanks for following along, seeing what makes Royal Gold the gold standard in gardening. We want you to have success in your garden. Jump into the comments, ask questions, give us your golden insights. We want to know what makes your garden the best in town. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you next time on Growing with the Gold.